coolest place to shop in Nevada is a sporting goods store with a giant Ferris wheel. Who knew you could buy your next fishing rod, catch a ride on a massive indoor Ferris wheel, see huge fish tanks, and grab a few photos of your favorite US presidents all in the same place? And that list doesn't nearly include all the fun things there are to do at SCHEELS, a sporting goods store located in Sparks, Nevada. Take a venture to this unusual and exciting store to see for yourself all the fun to be had at the coolest place to shop in the state. Since opening its doors in 2008, the SCHEELS Sparks location has been drawing customers and sightseers alike. Find the huge sporting goods store at the Legends of Sparks Marina, located at the intersection of I-80 and Sparks Boulevard in Sparks, Nevada. This place is massive fun. With nearly 300,000 square feet of shopping space, visitors to this flagship store can spend hours browsing all the sites and items for sale. Feeling overwhelmed by the endless options? Feel free to ask the knowledgeable staff who are friendly and eager to help find whatever it is you may be looking for. What makes SCHEELS so unique? The store has managed to merge fun with shopping. Kids and adults will enjoy the many taxidermy animal displays. From bears to birds, foxes, and more, the store will wow you with its variety of native southwestern species. Find lots of animal information too. You'll definitely leave the store having learned something new. Don't forget the fishing gear. The store has 2 humongous aquariums for shoppers' viewing pleasure. Each 16,000-gallon tank will wow guests with their dazzling array of aquatic life. Sitting right in the center of SCHEELS is a 65-foot Ferris wheel. It's the best way to take a break from shopping. The Ferris wheel will take you to see the entire store from up high. The Ferris wheel requires a small fee per ride. How about traveling not only back in time, but to the White House? Another fun attraction inside the SCHEELS is the Walk of Presidents. View animated figures of US presidents like Abraham Lincoln and Teddy Roosevelt, who are more than happy to revise their most famous speeches for you. If you're looking for games, SCHEELS not only sells them, but you can play them too. From shooting galleries to mini bowling, SCHEELS has got it all. With all there is to see and do at SCHEELS, don't forget that it's a sporting goods store carrying just about everything you could want for your sport, hobby, or even home decor needs. Find Ginna's Café when hunger strikes. Named after SCHEELS CEO, Steve M. SCHEELS' grandmother, guests can enjoy delicious soups and sandwiches, drinks, and more importantly, special homemade fudge. Whether you're looking for that perfect golf club or just in the mood to shop, stop by SCHEELS in Sparks, Nevada for a great shopping experience.